If you're a mom that homeschools and you have struggled to stay organized, you've struggled to stay on course, this video is for you, because today I am walking you through this Notion template that I have built to help you make homeschooling easier, to help you make your life easier generally. Okay, so first of all, it is a minimalist template and you can customize it however you want to. Okay, but here we go. So the first thing you see is the Bible verse of the week, and over here you can see, trust in the Lord with all your heart, lean not on your own understanding, in all your ways submit to him, and it will make your path straight. Okay, now you can go ahead and switch this up and change it every single week. All right, over here you have your clock. It is set to your local time. All right, and you can also change it. You can change the widgets. That is totally fine. All right, so we come into the categories, and this is the part that I want you to listen to the most. Over here we have the lesson planner. Now if I click on the lesson planner, it takes me over here to the lesson planner. Okay, so here, for example, we have the solar system. Okay, you're going to go ahead and open it, and this is where you're going to write the plan for your for this subject. Okay, you're going to write the notes, everything. If you have videos that you need to embed, you're just going to go ahead here, click /embed. Okay, and then over here you're going to click on you're going to paste the link to the video from anywhere, and you're going to embed it over there. You can embed PDFs, you can embed anything at all. Okay, and so here you have the solar system, and here it has subject. You're gonna click whichever subject it is. Okay, you're gonna, if there is a worksheet, you're gonna add the link. Okay, choose the link. If it's a PDF file, if it's a document file, a Word file, you can just choose the file. Let me give you an example. I think I have a PDF file that I can, just embed that. Okay, and it's over there. Okay, so you can put the worksheet, the status, if it's started, if it's in progress, you click on it, and then the due date. Okay, it's due by the end of the week. All right, so that is that for the lesson plan, and you just continue. You can plan your lessons ahead. Okay. All right, so we're going to go back here, and then we're going to click on grades. Okay, here you're going to click on, here, this is the place where you enter the grades for each of your child. Okay, for example, for science, okay, we have Kathy, we have Bradley or Ashley, and the grades, you can write the grades over here. And then the school week, what school week are we in? Week 1, week 2. Okay, you can also, you can put in you can upload the child's worksheet, the test worksheet or whatever. You upload it over there, okay? And that will just help you collate everything. For example, if this is social studies, okay? If this is social studies and this is for Bradley, okay, let's go ahead and close that. And his grade is 95, okay? And the school week is week 2. Okay, you can open this. Okay, over here you can embed and do PDF or image or anything. Okay, and embed Bradley's worksheet in there. Okay, that also helps you take that away. All right, we're going to go back to the home page again. We have extracurricular activities. Here's where you put in your extracurricular activities. For example, soccer training, you open it, soccer training with Coach M, the venue, the coach contact, okay, 240989, whatever. Okay, and you have that over there. And one of the importance of having this is, a lot of times we see that a lot of the load is tilted towards one parent, the primary parent. But when you have this, okay, this is just like a guide. Like, if you can share this, you can have this on your mobile device as well, and just share it with your other partner, your husband, your spouse, and they will see everything in real time. Okay, all right, so here we have extracurricular activities. We have the child's name. Okay, if it's just one child, yeah, and the date, okay, so that you can be on top of that. And this is ordered, okay, by date, so it's like a ascending order. All right, okay, so we're gonna go back to the mom zone now, the home page, and we're gonna see portfolio management. And this one is near and dear to my heart, because when I started to homeschool my child, it was hard for me to put portfolios together, especially because I have to pile up a lot of books, a lot of paper and all of that. But I don't like having papers and worksheets and all of that in my house. So this is what we're going to do. For example, we have Ashley's work. Okay. We're going to open it. Okay. Now attach image of worksheets or activities below. So if my daughter is having physical education and I make a video or an image of her, this is where I upload it. Okay. Her classwork worksheets, I take an image of that and I upload it and I attach it to this place because I don't want to have a lot of books in my house. All right. So this here where you select the type, is it a video? Is it an image? Is it a worksheet? Okay. You attach it. What week of it? Now it is important for you to always put the week. Okay. Because that can help you collate it. And the subject, you can click on the subject. Okay. Science and all of that. And then this is the date. Always clicking the date. Okay, so when you're having that portfolio review, especially if you're having it via Zoom or online or whatever, you can just share your screen and show it to the reviewer. This makes it super duper simple. Guys, I made this for myself for this school year 2024 2025, but I just decided to share with you guys because I think that this is something that will be very helpful. All right, that's portfolio management. Now we're going to come to resources. Okay, the resources, I have the curriculum list here. Okay, so here we have mathematics curriculum for this school year. Okay, for maths, you can go ahead and add more as much as you want. Okay, for science, these are the curriculums, and you can add as many as you want. Okay, this is a new subject. Just change the name of the subject. Let's say health. Okay, and that's the name of the subject, and just put the list over there. Now if you have more subjects to write, just click on this button that says new subject and it's going to add a new subject for you. Just have to change the name of the subject and start to put in the curriculum list. Okay, so that is that over there. Now we can go back to resources and we have links. Okay, here are like external links for maybe video links or article links or whatever for your child's work. For example, this resource for science on chemical reaction, it's a YouTube link. So one of the properties has the link. You put in the link, what's the type, video, and then you can see that I have embedded the link here. You can click on it. It can play right here. Okay. So it can play right here, or you can just watch on YouTube. Okay, so that is very, very helpful. And the resources, all of that. And the type of it is video. Okay, so you can go back here. Okay, to resources. Now let's go back to the home page. After we have looked at resources, now we have the daily schedule. So this is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. And I wrote it up till Sunday because I know some people school all year round, all day round, all week long, and all of that. But if you only school from Mondays to Fridays, of course, go ahead and write your schedule. Okay, the time, let's say 7 a.m. we have breakfast. Okay. Okay, and 8 a.m. maybe we have math. You know, just go ahead and fill it in. This is, I love this. Okay, let me just say it that way. I love it. All right, so you have your daily schedule. Now you have your attendance. Okay, so for this attendance, I have written it this way. For example, so you start it on the week. So for example, let's say the week is starting today. Today's Sunday. Okay, so when you create new, it automatically gives you the week for it. So week of today, that means the week of August 4th, 2024. Okay, so here you're going to click Monday present, Tuesday present. You know, that week you're going to come into this particular one and click for the week. Okay, so at the end of the school year, you should have, if you school year round, you should have 52 of this. If you school for 40 weeks in the year, you should have 40 of this. Okay, so we have the tags. And then we have the student's name over here. Let's say Kelsey and Timothy. And let's say Ashley was absent. So reason for absent, cough. And we're going to go here and write the name Ashley. Okay. So Ashley was absent. She didn't come to school because she had a cough. Okay. So that is for the attendance. Okay. Now the school year goals. Now this is where you want to write your school year goals for each of your child. Okay, I love the name Ashley. I don't know, maybe I should give myself that name. Anyway, so for Ashley, we have educational goals. Write it there. Fitness goals, go ahead and write it. Spiritual goals and self-care goals. Okay, and that is it about school year goals. Okay, so going back home, we have the weekly tasks. Okay, now for the weekly tasks, okay, for example, I've written here run dishwasher, and that is Ashley's chore, and it's due August 6th, okay. And so I've also made like different views. For example, for the chores, you can see, okay, this is Ashley. For the chores, you can just click on the chores and see what chores have been assigned and who they've been assigned to. For self-care, this is for mommy or for daddy. Meditation and milk bath, you can see the self-care. And then one more, the done tasks, okay? For example, so if you come to all tasks here and you say Ashley has done her chore for that day and you click done, it automatically leaves all tasks and it comes to the done tasks. So you can see run dishwasher, Ashley is there. So go ahead and fill in anything. Okay, let's say we have the aquariums. Okay, aquariums aquariums field trip. Okay, activity, and then due date August. What day are you going? On Thursday, August. So you're writing the dates, you're clicking the dates that you're going. Okay, so that is that for the weekly task. Okay, you can fill in as many. Oh, sorry, I filled that in the done tasks. Aquariums trip, it should not be there, it should be here. Okay, yeah, so we now have the aquariums field trip, and note that this is also sorting according to your date. Okay, now we go over here, you see your shopping list. Now click on this arrow, drops it down, and this is your shopping list. Okay, you can write as many as you want. Okay, continue to write it, and then once you've done it, you click it and strike it through. Okay, that is your shopping list for the week. Now the daily priority list is over here. Purchase curriculum, that is what you have to do, the one you have to do that day. Okay, purchase curriculum, meditation done, store runs not yet, umbrella registration. You know, you have this is your daily priority list, and this is just a little image to kind of like you know, encourage you. Over here I have attached, like, you know, quotes that you may like. You can either, for example, this one says you can either experience the pain of discipline or the pain of regret. You can refresh it here, okay, and you would have different ones all the time. Okay, now this here is a table of content. It takes you, for example, to the pages. Now these pages are the same ones over here. Okay, so you can just leave this over here or you can delete it, whatever. Okay, now the categories and then the weekly tasks. Okay, so this is a powerhouse for homeschool moms. If you would like this, I'm going to be linking it in my bio. I'm going to be linking it in the description box. It's $10 and I think that you should purchase it. But it's a beautiful template for organizing your homeschool. Okay, and like I said, you can always change this icons. Okay, you can click it to ask every time so that it can ask you what, you know, what color you want all the time. Okay, you can use icons, you can use emojis. Okay, you can use any of this. You can upload a custom file, whatever, if you want. Over here too, you can change the image. You can use you can upload your own. Okay, you can upload a link from Google, from the website, anywhere, and you can use the all images from Unsplash that is here. You can just choose any one you like. Okay, and you can change the cover image as well. Anyway, this is an amazing template. Like I said, kindly click in the description box. I'm going to be linking it there and you can purchase it for yourself. All right guys, if this video has been helpful, kindly subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next video.